morning, everybody. I wanted to share my excitement today. I have 2 sunflowers in the front of my home. Isn't nature so lovely? I mean, it's so beautiful to see nature, how things work out, The bees, if there wasn't any bees, well, we wouldn't be able to have many things. So thanks to the bees, look how hard it's working. I mean, it's busy working here. It is said that it is good luck to plant sunflowers in the front of your home, or both back and front, but it is said if you have sunflowers in the front, you gain luck. It gives you more good energy, and so many things I've heard about having a sunflower. And giving a sunflower as a gift is actually a good gift to give to someone, letting them know that everything is going to be more better for them. So you're giving them some good energy and some luck. Yes, my friends, so I just wanted to share with you this lovely bee that is so busy working here, and I don't know, I enjoy watching these little things, how hard they work, and because of them we start getting seeds. We can do it manually, but it's gonna take a long time, and there's so many bees that are doing it for us. And here he or she, I don't think it's a she, but I don't know, I can say he's very busy working here. And you can see in the back of his legs how full of pollen. It's full of pollen. I want to thank you all for your support and for watching my whole videos. Subscribe if you're new. Don't forget to click that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Share my videos. Like and comment below. And hope to see you again in the next video. Thank you all for watching. Bye. Bye, bye, bee.